Hi, in this video I will review the best drill machine for DIY working and will show you how you can use it for drilling as well as for cutting. So let's start. So here is the box of Makita 100% copper winded drill machine. It can hold the bit of size up to 13 mm, which is quite reasonable for both DIY home and commercial use. Now let's open the box. As you can see, here is a scale rod which can help us in the depth of drill. Here is a secondary handle for the better grip. And finally, we got the first look of our drill machine. And in the last, we got the drill key. So the machine grip is very hand friendly. Here at the top, we have a switch for the hammer and the normal drill mode. From there, we can switch between forward and backward drilling option. The trigger is very soft and equipped with a lock button. Now we will fix the secondary handle for the drill machine and the scale rod. For testing, I purchased some different sizes of drill bits. Now let's fix one for the testing. I also purchased these two cutter discs and a mount or a connector. So we can also use the drill machine as an electric saw for our DIY working. Now let me show you how we can connect it with the drill machine. You can find the links of all of these useful gadgets in the video description.